Hey, what's up, people? First, I gotta wish you a happy new year. 2021 has come and gone. Now we're in the new year, 2022, and I pray that every good thing that you desire for yourself will actually come your way this year. I want to thank all my subscribers, all my fans, families and friends, everyone who has supported JojoConnect, who supported my brand somehow in one way or the other. I want to appreciate you all. We started this channel about a year ago with about 67 subscribers, but today we have over 4,700 plus subscribers and we're still counting. Thank you all very much. Thank you for the love. In today's video, I want to motivate you a little bit on why you need to start a YouTube channel in 2022. If this sounds to you like a video you would like to see, then you want to stay back and watch this video. Okay, you're welcome back to the channel. It is JojoConnect. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and then you will be subscribing right now to JojoConnect. First of all, why do you need to start a YouTube channel in 2022? Is it too late? Is it oversaturated? No, it's never too late and it is not oversaturated. Not just yet, because there's always a space for everyone on the platform. You want to start a YouTube channel in 2022 because it helps you to get extra source of traffic for your product, your business or your brand. You can reach out to a whole lot of people around the world on this platform. Believe it or not, the YouTube platform is the second most used search engine in the world, and it is the third social media platform in the world. So you have access to a wide range of people across the globe. So you want to start a YouTube channel if you have a business or you have a brand that you want people to know about. The second reason you want to start a YouTube channel is to have a closer personal connection with people. In other words, with your customers, with your friends, your family, with people you care about. You want to start a YouTube channel so you can have a closer connection with them. Another reason why you want to start a YouTube channel is to have a passive income in 2022. The YouTube platform provides revenue for your videos that you upload on daily basis or monthly basis or whatever. It generates money for you as time goes on. So you want to start a YouTube channel so you can have another stream of income in 2022. Another reason you want to start a YouTube channel is the fact that it is easy and cheap to start. You do not need to pay anyone. You don't need to actually start thinking about, oh, how much do I need to start? It's as simple as you just go on the platform, register for free, start uploading videos and start earning money on the platform. You also want to start a YouTube channel in 2022 because it helps to build the creativity in you. You want to start something that helps you to be creative, let people see that skill, that knowledge that you have. So you wanted to start a YouTube channel to help you build your creativity. And you also want to start a YouTube channel so that you can actually use your knowledge and skill to help others. Just like I'm doing right now, I'm actually trying to help people to know the benefit of starting a YouTube channel in 2022. You can actually help people if you know how to do something. For example, if you're a doctor, you can start a YouTube channel, help people with information regarding health. If you're a photographer, you want to start YouTube to help people on how to become a photographer and be better as a photographer. Different things you can do to help people on this platform. So if you're passionate about helping people, you also want to start a YouTube channel. And finally, or most importantly, you want to start a YouTube channel because you want to. Not because anybody is forcing you to do it, and not because you're looking out to make so much money. Believe you me, the money will come as time goes on. As a matter of fact, you start making money once your channel gets monetized from over 1,000 subscribers. So you want to start the YouTube channel because you want to. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where I'm going to stop for today. Once again, I'm going to wish you a happy new year 2022, and I know this year is going to be good for everyone. So thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. Love you guys.